Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best resin 3D printers for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're an aspiring maker, a hobbyist, or someone looking to dive into the world of 3D printing, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Creality halot R6, a resin 3D printer specifically designed for kids and beginners. This printer is perfect for those who are just starting their 3D printing journey. One of its standout features is its user-friendly boot guide, which provides step-by-step instructions to help you complete the initial setup effortlessly. With its compact and lightweight design, just 4.25 kilograms, it's easy to place anywhere without taking up much space, making it ideal for small offices or home setups. The halot R6 comes with a 6.08-inch 2K monochrome LCD screen and an integral light source that ensures uniform curing and precise detail in your prints. The orange-coated top cover blocks up to 99.89% of UV rays, making it safer for kids and reducing eye strain. Despite its focus on beginners, the printer doesn't compromise on print quality, offering smooth and detailed results. The high-precision Z-axis and gap elimination nut provide stability, minimizing wobbling and misalignment during prints. While the halot R6 is easy to use and comes with intelligent collaboration features like the halot Box software and Creality Cloud app, its smaller build volume may limit its appeal for more ambitious projects. However, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a simple, reliable, and safe way to get into resin 3D printing. Pros include its compact design, ease of use, and stable performance, while the cons involve its smaller print size and limited advanced features for seasoned users. Coming in at number 4 is the Anycubic Photon Mono 4, a solid resin printer that combines high resolution and impressive performance. With its 7-inch 10K monochrome LCD screen, this printer boasts a resolution of 9024 by 5120 and pixel dimensions of just 17 by 17 micrometers, allowing for intricate details and smooth textures in your models. Whether you're printing miniatures, prototypes, or creative designs, the Photon Mono 4 delivers exceptional precision and clarity. The printer features Anycubic's Light Turbo Matrix light source, which ensures consistent and uniform lighting, smoother surfaces, and reduced layer lines. The 4-point leveling system is beginner-friendly, requiring only a one-time setup that saves time and effort. The generous build volume of 6.04 by 3.42 by 6.49 inches provides enough space for most small to medium-sized projects, making it a versatile choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. The laser-engraved platform improves adhesion and minimizes warping, ensuring higher success rates in every print. While the Photon Mono 4 ticks a lot of boxes, it does lack advanced features like app connectivity or automatic leveling, which may deter tech-savvy users. Nonetheless, it's a fantastic option for those looking for a reliable and precise resin printer. Its pros include high resolution, stable light source, and user-friendly leveling, while its cons are the lack of app support and slightly smaller print volume compared to higher-end models. At number 3, we have the Elegoo Mars 5 MSLA Resin 3D printer, a fantastic choice for beginners who want a balance of affordability and functionality. This printer comes equipped with a 6.6-inch 4K monochrome LCD screen, delivering a resolution of 4098 by 2560 and detailed precision that brings your ideas to life. The one-click automatic leveling feature simplifies the setup process, so you can spend less time calibrating and more time printing. The smart mechanical sensor is a standout feature, as it detects foreign objects, resin levels, and leveling failures, sending timely alarms to prevent potential issues. With built-in overheat protection and an advanced cooling system, the Mars 5 ensures long-term reliability and safety. The printer is also designed for ease of use, with a one-click self-check function that verifies the printer's components before every print, minimizing failures and wasted materials. While the Mars 5 is a solid choice, its smaller build volume of 5.91 by 5.65 by 3.53 inches may be a limitation for those looking to print larger models. Additionally, at 14.52 pounds, it's not the most portable option. However, for its price point and feature set, the Mars 5 offers great value. Pros include its 4K screen, smart sensors, and robust safety features, while its cons are the limited print size and slightly heavier build compared to other beginner-friendly models. In second place, we have the Elegoo Mars 5, another outstanding resin printer from Elegoo, designed with beginners in mind. This model features a 4K mono LCD screen paired with a COB light source, delivering stunning details and textures in every print. The automatic leveling feature is a game-changer for those new to 3D printing, ensuring a hassle-free setup process that eliminates the need for tedious manual adjustments. One of the key highlights of the Mars 5 is its smart mechanical sensor, which provides residue detection to protect the LCD screen and issues alarms for resin shortages or leveling failures. The one-click self-check function ensures all components are working optimally before starting a print, reducing the chances of errors. Additionally, the advanced overheat protection system prioritizes safety by halting prints and triggering alarms if the LED temperature exceeds 80 degrees Celsius, while the efficient cooling system extends the printer's lifespan. The Mars 5 is compact and lightweight, making it a practical choice for desktop use. However, the build volume of 5.65 by 3.53 by 5.91 inches is a bit small for users with larger projects in mind. Overall, the Mars 5 is a reliable and beginner-friendly resin printer packed with features that make 3D printing easy and enjoyable. Pros include its detailed 4K screen, smart features, and safety systems, while cons are its smaller print area and lack of advanced connectivity options. Finally, at number 1, we have the Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra 16K, the crown jewel of this lineup. This printer is a powerhouse with its massive 10-inch 16K mono LCD screen, offering an incredible resolution that ensures lifelike textures and impeccable precision. Whether you're creating detailed models, prototypes, or artistic pieces, the Saturn 4 Ultra delivers unparalleled quality. The Saturn 4 Ultra is loaded with advanced features, including a smart tank heating system that maintains the resin at a consistent 30 degrees Celsius, reducing defects like bubbles and layer separation. Its AI-powered camera offers real-time monitoring and alerts for issues like empty build plates or warped models, giving you peace of mind during long prints. With blazing fast print speeds of up to 150 millimeters per hour, and tilt-release technology for easy model removal, this printer is designed to save you time without compromising quality. While the Saturn 4 Ultra is a high-end option, its larger size and weight, 35.5 pounds, make it less portable. Additionally, its advanced features might be overkill for beginners who don't need such a high level of detail. However, for those who want the best of the best, this printer is worth every penny. Pros include its 16K resolution, smart heating system, and fast print speeds, while cons are its bulky design and higher price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy printing!